This sweater is $68. Are they kidding? Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to do a Stitch Fix quick take. My name is Teresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. Fun fact, my very first video on YouTube was a Stitch Fix video, and now I don't do Stitch Fix unboxings at all. I decided to throw together a quick video because I realized how much I rely on you ladies and your input in deciding what to keep and what to pass on, even from Walmart. So when it comes to high dollar pieces like these, I really need your help. I'm going to start with this fluffy cozy piece that I'm wearing. I do want to point out that the turtleneck that I'm wearing underneath is from Amazon, and it's sleeveless, which makes it perfect for layering. I will link this in the description box below. This cardigan is by a brand called Lety Me. They're calling it the Yara Sherpa Lined Cardigan. It is 91% acrylic, yikes, 8% polyester, and then it says 1% other fiber. I am seeing this on a lot of labels lately, whether they're from Walmart or from Stitch Fix, to be honest. The care instructions are a little bit fussy in my world, at least. It says to hand wash cold and lay flat to dry, and this cardigan is $62. I'm going to try not to compare everything in this box to something that I could get at Walmart, but I would be remiss if I did not point out that just yesterday I saw a cardigan shaped exactly like this with the faux Sherpa hood for under $20 at Walmart. Now theirs were in solid color, and this one does have a nice print to it. This cardigan doesn't have any closures, which doesn't offend me because I typically would wear it open anyway, honestly. It doesn't have pockets, and I kind of feel like it should, especially for the price. I do have to say that although this is mostly acrylic, it does not have that acrylic feel at all to me. I feel like a snow bunny in this. This is so cozy and so comfy. I love the color, but again, the ones at Walmart have this ivory colored Sherpa as well, so I'm really on the fence about this. Would you say that this is a keeper? Let me know in the comments down below, and we are moving on to the next piece. The color of this next piece from Stitch Fix is everything. This sweater is by the brand Bobeau. It's called the Fannie Popcorn Sweater. It is a size small, and it is, yikes, $68. This is 78% polyester and 22% acrylic. And here we go again with the fussy care instructions. Hand wash cold and lay flat to dry. So not gonna lie, I did not look at the prices before I sat down, and I cannot justify the cost of this sweater. And not only that, I would have to hand wash it and lay it flat to dry. Nope. I'm not doing all that. Now, I won't deny that this is a gorgeous sweater. I love the color. I love the feel of the fabric. I love that it's a high-low hem. Sometimes I like to wear something like this that's a little bit chunkier with skinny jeans and tall boots, or with leggings. I could also, because it's a mid-weight, do a front tuck and wear this with boot-cut jeans and the very on-trend Western style boots. But I don't know if I can justify the price. Maybe you'll see something that I don't about this sweater. Be sure and let me know in the comments down below. Is this a keeper or is it a hard pass? Let's look at the next piece. I have to admit, when I took this next piece out of the box, I had an immediate knee-jerk reaction. Nope, not doing horizontal stripes. But when I tried it on, I realized that I would probably wear a solid vest over it, and it would really break up the stripes. This pullover sweater is by the brand Pink Clover. They're calling it the Rosemary ribbed long sleeve sweater. It's in dark green, size small. It is $46, which in the Stitch Fix world is about average, to be honest. It is 100% polyester, and the care instructions, oh, you have to be kidding me. Try clean only. Nope. I have had a Stitch Fix account since I started my YouTube channel. I want to say going on 3 years ago. And this is my fix number 58. So that gives you a good idea of how many Stitch Fix boxes I have received. And I have one simple instruction. No fussy care and absolutely no dry clean only items. I'm really bummed about that because I was thinking in the back of my mind that this might be a keeper. I actually do love the colors. I usually do not wear horizontal stripes, but as I mentioned, I would be breaking it up with a solid colored vest. I just love these colors so much, but I am not buying a dry clean only sweater. So let's move to the next item. Okay, this train is going off the tracks because the next piece in the box is a pair of jeans, and I specifically asked not to be sent jeans because I've had a little bit of weight gain and my weight is fluctuating. But let me tell you about them anyway, why not? These are by Judy Blue. They're called the Chelsea Mid-Rise Clean Slim Fit. They're in the color indigo. These are a size 6 and they are, yikes, $68. The fabric is 93% cotton, 6% polyester, and 1% spandex. And hallelujah, at least this item has easy care instructions. It's just machine wash cold and tumble dry. Now I will say that I do own a pair of Judy Blue jeans that I got a couple of years ago, and they are so comfortable. The fabric on these feels very nice. I also have to say, and I said that I wasn't going to do this, but here I go again, my Time and True high-rise skinny jeans feel almost identical to these. The difference is these are $68 and they are $20. Now, these are a different cut, I realize. These are a straight leg. I tried these on with a pair of boots that came in the box. I don't love that look. I think it looks a little bit sloppy actually because it made them a little bit bunchy. And because of my height being borderline petite, I had to cuff these. I probably should have tried these on with a different pair of shoes. These are very comfortable. What do you think of them? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I kind of love these boots. These are by the brand Mia. They are the Brande heeled bootie in the color camel. These are a size 8 and I did find these to fit true to size. They are $69.95. Now I will say that when it comes to footwear, I don't mind paying a little bit more, especially if they're well made, and these feel very well made. I love neutral shoes that I can wear with everything. This lug sole is very much on trend, and I have to be honest, I haven't been the biggest fan of a lug sole, but for some reason I like it on these. It's possibly that these have a little bit of a stacked heel to them. These do have a zipper so that you can put them on and off easily, and then you can adjust them with the laces. They have a round toe. I don't know, I think I'm talking myself into keeping these. They are very well made, they are very comfortable, and I don't own anything that looks like these. If these looked like every other pair of boots that I have, I wouldn't even consider them, but these really would be unique to my closet. Filming this unboxing to me was an eye-opener at what good pricing I'd get from Walmart. But with that said, if you are still curious about Stitch Fix and you want to try it for yourself, I do have a referral code. I will link it in the description box below. You'll get a credit on your account that you can use toward the purchase of one of the pieces in the box. Say you love something. Shipping is free in both directions, so you really don't have anything to lose. If you use my referral code, I will also get a small Stitch Fix credit on my account. Thank you ahead of time if you use my referral code. Nope, I don't do horizontal stripes. Is that horizontal? Horizontal like the horizon, vertical. Yes, horizontal. And I had one simple instruction: no fussy care items. And so far I have received 2 hand wash and lay flat to dry sweaters, and then a third that is dry clean only. Why, Stitch Fix? Why? This sweater is $68. $68? Are they kidding? I am not doing a great job talking anybody into trying Stitch Fix. If you want to see more quick take Stitch Fix unboxings on this channel, let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know if you are just completely disinterested. I am really curious. If you liked this video and you would like to see more like it, not necessarily Stitch Fix, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Pop over to Instagram and follow me over there. I would love to have you as a part of that community. I'm going to pop up a couple of my previous videos here, and I will see you next time.